Homeland title. About to close on a flip. We'll be starting work on it soon. Just creating some content, that way make some videos, show you guys the process. Stay tuned.
Now, me and Genesis just acquired this property. We're about to sign and close and start the process. So the minute we close, work is going to begin in 2 days. Demo, get everything ripped up and done. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted as we continue to record, all right?
Just came from closing. Checking on the property now. Doing another walkthrough. This is the front entrance. Living room area. We'll be painting this house. Running new floors throughout. New cabinets. Might keep the appliances. Bonus room here. Let's check the laundry room. Laundry room. It's the master bedroom. Closet. Bathroom. We'll completely renovate this bathroom and do it. This bedroom one. Two bedroom. Bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 4. Need some drywall work done. Big room. Needs paint. Floor. Alright, just left the flip. Did the final walkthrough. Made a game plan with the mastermind right there. All right, guys, I'm at the flip in Brooksville right now. Got some of the guys here waiting for a few contractors to come in so we can take some bids on some jobs, but right now we're getting all the outlets, all the electrical. So this room right here was actually a garage. It was converted into a big bedroom. My garage was 400 or 500 square feet, so it's a big room. They didn't have no AC duct work done. Just had a window unit over there, as you can see. So we're actually getting all the duct work done, so this room could be properly cooled through the central air conditioning. No toilet for the bathroom, the tubs, tile for the bathrooms. This is all insulation, vents that we're gonna be installing for the new air conditioning ductwork. Get the AC replaced, load the handler. Dumpsters out, guys. Window out. Guys about to put it in. Dumpster's getting full. Well, not really, but it's getting there. Gotta demo the bathrooms, the rest of the kitchen. But coming along. Got the windows replaced. Guys, make sure when you ever getting windows replaced that you know the area, and make sure that you do not need impact windows for that specific area. We're in Florida, so a lot of the times you know, you need impact windows to withstand a certain amount. So make sure you do know that. Make sure you look into that. But yeah, guys, energy efficient windows, obviously, they have a slight tint to them to prevent sunlight getting in, heating up the house. So now we got brand new AC, brand new windows. So this house will be energy efficient. As you can see, big difference too. I mean, once we get this house painted, it's gonna be a world of a difference, but that's the windows for you. I just went and picked up some texture, compound, quick set concrete, some stucco finish. As you guys can see right there, there was an AC unit, a window unit in that added room that was a garage. So we added the insulation, we added the AC vent. So we did the AC vent, we added that into that room. Insulation's getting put in now, as you can see. It's one of the bags there, 2x4s for the framing. We got the mesh for the stucco on the outside. And let's see the rest of the house. Want to do a quick walkthrough on the progress on our flip. Right now this is the outside. Tomorrow we'll be prepping for paint as we demoed the house. Kitchen's gone, bathrooms are out, all the garbage thrown in here. Right now we got the guys doing the bathrooms as well as doing tile work. So right now, as you guys can see, recessed lighting is done. Home will be going to start paint this week. As you can see here, kitchen's been completely demoed. Got all the windows replaced. Got drywall work being done. Now guys, all these spots, all this drywall work, it's gonna be refinished. Now the color for there. Brand new tub in there, guys. Vanity's coming in. I have the drywall, patch this up. I'm gonna have the Durock up in this bathroom. Brand new tub. Light fixtures are put in. All this will be painted. This room will be painted as well. Light fixture put in already. A lot of the electrical work is done. Durock put in.
It's that tile your knees.
Tile's about to be laid. I know you guys remember, there's a huge hole up here. This guy's got all the drywall work done. Brand new windows. All this will be refinished, some crown molding up there. Guys, make sure you always have your blue tape. Mark the spots that need to be fixed. Insulation's about to be put in. Brand new handler. Brand new water heater over there. Durock put up. Drywall work done. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was a crack up there. All fixed. So recessed lighting put in. Baseboards are in. Master bedroom, baseboards, all done. Tile in here is done. Shower done. Vanity put in. The mirror. Baseboards in the closet, that's a nice touch. You don't have to do it, but get it done. You should be getting paint done. Just take that. It's all painted. Just want to go over the update, guys. Remember there was a hole there. the mesh in. Next thing is stucco we get put on. The plastic in here, guys. Getting that pipe removed. That was the old return line from the AC that was, well, the handler that was in the ceiling. We got that removed, as you guys know. Brand new one here. You guys remember that big hole that was up there? Drywall's done, and now they actually, we did the surfacing, we got the popcorn up there to match. Inside here was the other side of the hole where the AC was. That's removed. Windows are covered. Protect everything that's new. Baseboard's done. Closets. My guy Gene right here just left the flip.
Hey, boy, we doing
4 weeks in. Should be on the market in the next 2 weeks.
No, it is gonna be the market in 2 weeks, sir.
Forgive me. Forgive me. It will be.
Yeah,
Affirmative. That's how he rolls.
yeah.
Going to pick up some more materials right now.
Oh, matter of fact, look out. We got a new build in the same area, too.
Build's coming soon. We're starting to get into developing now. Check this out, man. The AC unit was been patched over. Stucco work is done. Where the AC unit and wall unit was. And get this door put in here. Duct work was ran so that we don't have to have AC in the wall. Got a ceiling fan or a light put there. Added tile here into this closet. It was never done. This additional bonus room, or the garage room. All the baseboards are in throughout the whole house. Guys prepped everything for paint. Windows are covered, textured. Kitchen, cabinets. Granite put in, sink, appliances we already have, and another property, we're gonna bring them over. Texture's done, everything is prepped for interior paint. Brand new windows covered and protected, light fixtures covered. Minor details. Baseboards in the closet. This is just a utility closet. Clean up. We're gonna have some day laborers come out here, clean this all up. As you can see, the dumpster's pretty full, so we can't do that just yet. We gotta make sure we have access to it. All the brand new windows. Tomorrow the house will be pressure washed and prepped for paint. Brand new AC unit. This is on a double lot. As you can see, you can fit another home here alone. So, good sized yard. About time we replace this dumpster. Probably get this swapped out this weekend. So we got some space in there. We'll fill it up.
Put G on there. But seriously, when you think about it, there's nothing else you could possibly do. All the red flags somebody will want in a house and they have issues with, it's already done.
Oh yeah. And that's one thing I like what you said was, you know, take care of all the major things. See, I was always like, all right, cosmetic. But you're like, no, let's replace the water heater. And I'm like, why? It works, you know? You're like, no, because that could be a problem later on the line. That could delay closing.
Yeah.
So it makes sense.
To be like, oh, this old, not a person. You give them a reason to be like, oh, I want a credit.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, we're not giving you no reason for no credit. Ain't no credits here.
All right. Going to bed looking good. Alright guys, so closed on this property about 4 weeks ago, and I just want to do a walkthrough so you guys can see what we've done so far. So far the house has been painted, still have some plastic on there. Brand new windows are installed throughout the house. New light fixture for the outside. The door will be painted the same color as the shutters. We installed recessed lighting. And right now the guys just did the first coat of the interior paint. We painted the ceiling, brand new baseboards throughout the house. We completely demoed the kitchen. We just measured for the cabinets, so that should be coming soon. We did the whole bathroom, all the tub work's done. Cabinets will be coming in with the vanity sets. Then obviously we'll be doing the countertops after. Right here, baseboards throughout the closets as well. It's a nice touch. Closet doors painted. It's like an additional family area. All brand new windows. This is bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Closet doors are painted. There's actually an attic entrance. We did a nice frame around, make it look nicer. And this was the bonus room, guys. We had a huge hole up here. There's the closet to make it official, the 4th bedroom. The baseboards throughout. Had the guys build a box underneath. It's just a nice touch. Makes it look cleaner. So the exterior paint is completely done. The only windows we didn't replace was the bathroom windows, but what we did was we had the guys paint the outside to match the new windows. So this fence, we painted the color of the house. We're gonna take it down, but game plans change all the time. The fence was holding up nice, so nice little private area if they wanna make like a patio of it or what have you. Brand new windows. Right now we're getting the property cleaned up. Here's our brand new AC unit. Concrete here was broken, so guys are fixing that now. Electrical panel is good. Gonna have that labeled. And as you can see, that wall unit, AC wall unit over here. And now that's completely patched up, stucco. Can't even tell it's there.